5-year YouTube anniversary video. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed or even just watched a video or liked or commented, because that still helps. Anything helps. 5 years have been pretty fun, and here's to another 5 years. Hopefully my next 5 years is gonna be like way more interesting, because I'm gonna be like entering like adulthood. Like I'm gonna be 20 next year. My other 5 years have all been throughout teenage years, so hopefully my channel gets more entertaining. But cheers. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe. Okay.